Hello everyone, welcome back to Autotrend TV. I'm UV Prajesh again. In this video today, I would like to talk about the newly launched Citroën C5 Aircross SUV. French automaker Citroën has finally launched their maiden product for India in the form of the very premium Citroën C5 Aircross SUV. This new Citroën C5 Aircross SUV aims to provide segment-besting comfort, ride quality, flexibility and technology and compete against the likes of the Jeep Compass, Hyundai Tucson and other premium SUVs such as the Audi Q3 and the BMW X1. First, let's talk about the variants and pricing of this new Citroën C5 Aircross. This new premium SUV is available in two different variants, namely the Feel and Shine. Both the variants are available with either single-tone or dual-tone body paint scheme, with the Feel monotone variant starting from Rs 29,90,000 ex-showroom and the Feel dual-tone variant priced at Rs 30,40,000 ex-showroom, with a price difference of Rs 50,000 between both variants. The top specs Shine variant on the other hand is priced at Rs 31,90,000 ex-showroom irrespective of the body paint scheme. Being a very unique looking SUV in the Indian market, the C5 Aircross is unmistakably a Citroën SUV when it comes to exterior and interior design. The Citroën C5 Aircross SUV features LED DRLs on top of the headlamps while also offering matte black finish on the front grille. The C5 Aircross SUV also features body cladding all around the car and signature C-shaped satin chrome insert surrounding the side windows. The C5 Aircross also offers chrome dual-tone exhaust pipes along with proper functional roof rails and 18-inch dual-tone alloy wheels. While all these exterior features are standard on both the variants, only the top spec Shine variant gets LED vision projector headlamps and a panoramic sunroof. While halogen fog lamps with cornering function are standard on both variants, the lower spec Feel variant gets halogen headlamps. Irrespective of the variant choice, the Citroën C5 Aircross gets a grey and black interior theme, while also offering common features like leather upholstery, tilt and telescopic adjustable steering wheel, along with a centrally mounted 8-inch capacitive touchscreen infotainment system, which comes as standard with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and also offers 6 speakers including 2 tweeters. The Citroën C5 Aircross SUV also offers dual-zone automatic climate control, which can also be controlled using the touchscreen system. The Citroën C5 Aircross also offers 180-degree reverse parking monitor while also offering front and rear parking sensors. Other convenience features include automatic headlamps, automatic wipers, auto-dimming IRVM, 6-way power adjustable driver seat, keyless entry and push-button start, express up and down function for all power windows, cruise control and puddle lamps. In order to enhance comfort, the Citroën C5 Aircross also offers reverse park assist, advanced comfort suspension with progressive hydraulic cushions, along with double laminated front windows and acoustic windshield glass. While all these features are standard on both variants, an electric power tailgate is available only on the top spec Shine variant. Both the variants also offer a large 12-inch fully customizable digital TFT instrument cluster, which also includes tire pressure monitoring system. Coming to the rear seats, the Citroën C5 Aircross is the only SUV in this price category to offer 3 independent full-sized rear seats with individual recline and sliding adjustments and proper 3-point seat belts. This also means that the Citroën C5 Aircross is the most flexible SUV in this price category. That's because all 3 seats can be folded individually to increase the boot space. To enhance the rear seat passenger comfort, the Citroën C5 Aircross also features rear AC vents. Talking about safety features, the new Citroën C5 Aircross SUV comes as standard with all-wheel disc brakes, ABS with EBD, ESP with traction control, hill hold control, hill descent control, traction control and electronic parking brake, coffee brake alert for the driver, blind spot information system and ISOFIX child seat mounts for the front passenger seat also. The Citroën C5 Aircross SUV comes with one single 2-liter turbocharged diesel engine option which produces 177 PS of maximum power and 400 Nm of maximum torque through an 8-speed automatic gearbox. This turbocharged diesel engine also gets multiple drive modes including economy, normal and sport modes, while both variants of the new Citroën C5 Aircross SUV also gets multiple traction control modes including standard, snow, all-terrain and sand modes for better off-road ability despite being a front-wheel drive SUV. However, going by the pricing of this brand new Citroën C5 Aircross SUV, it is significantly more expensive than the brand new Jeep Compass facelift and is also very close to the Ford Endeavour, while also being more expensive than the new MG Gloster. Stay tuned for our detailed review on the brand new Citroën C5 Aircross SUV, where we will find out whether it is worth the extra few lakhs over the Jeep Compass. So do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this brand new Citroën C5 Aircross SUV. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you in another video. Thank you for watching.